What's up guys, content day is today, so I have loaded up my bag with the DJI FPV drone, bunch of batteries, ND filters, all the fun stuff because it is super bright outside. But I'm just going to take it up around the water tower here out east in Sarasota, Florida a couple times, and yeah, just kind of get reacclimated to it. I haven't flown it in a while, so it should be fun. Here in the Celery Fields in Sarasota, Florida, just east of I-75. A great place to take your dogs out for walks or just to go see some nature. Bird watching is a huge thing out here. If you've got some binoculars, definitely bring them with you. But you'll enjoy this. And there's big cat habitat right behind it if you want to go and support some rescue animals, things like that. It's definitely a great place. So come and check this out. See some birds. This is a bird conservatory. We're having conversations with birds out here. It's a bird conservatory place. You talk with them. That's what we do. Celery Fields in Sarasota, Florida. The dogs obviously love it here. The dogs. That's my girlfriend. I don't know so much sometimes, but today that's my girlfriend today. She seems to be happy. The dogs are obviously happy. Look at them, just having the time of their life. What's up guys? We are here at the Celery Fields just east of us. I'm like, it's a bird what's it called? It's a bird conservation place. Whatever they call that stuff, that's what this is. So you're gonna see some great bird activity out here, and you'll enjoy yourself. I guarantee it. Denzel would have said that, so I guarantee it.
I guarantee it. You are dead. I can guarantee you peace of mind.
You'll be back in the pool in 24 hours, I guarantee.
Thanks, Denzel.